What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We're coming again with the Smoking Alien, the Sensei. 20 shots, 500 grammer. I got this from Intergalactic Fireworks. Pretty cool artwork, liking that right there. Alright, Air Performance here. Blood-soaked blade. Sensei says give them titanium chrysanthemum bouquets throughout with the first row. Silver cocoa chrysanthemum with red dahlia and white strobe. Second row is silver cocoa chrysanthemum with green dahlia and red plum. Third row is silver cocoa chrysanthemum with purple dahlia and white glitter. Fourth row is silver cocoa chrysanthemum with red dahlia and silver plum. And finale, brocade crowns with silver plum. Yes, Sensei. Otherwise, she'll get a little deadly. Anyways, again, this is from the Smoking Alien. 500 grams, Sensei, 20 shots. Again, as usual, thumbs up, thumbs down, comments down below. We'll see you guys in a little bit. We'll see what you guys think of the Sensei.